Well, it's always nice to have Beth Perrick on, and when she's talking about the Thrive Project, it's even better. So great to have you here today.
Thanks, Ken.
Yeah, this
has
has
been,
been,
here.
Well, for lack of a better word, a thriving project, hasn't it?
It is a thriving project.
Yeah.
We've been going for, I don't know, we started it when I was on third, so maybe
Yeah, I think so.
4 years ago.
Yeah.
So, and we keep evolving and looking at how to deliver the message in a different way. Remember last year we did the Centenarian Project.
Yes.
And that really was a success. That was led by Lucy Parker and Mark Rabinovich. And that, the Centenarian, hard to say,
yes,
project is at the History Center now.
Yeah, so if anybody wants to go over there, they can check that out.
Yes, yes. And hopefully it's up on YouTube so people can go there and take a look.
Yeah, very good project.
At the interviews.
So this time, you are this year, really the catalyst is kindness.
Right.
And first question is, how do you come up with sort of a theme, what you want to focus on for the year?
Actually, it's what someone thinks about and comes up with. And Joan Millman read an article and was thinking about kindness, and then she was talking with Eileen, our marketing gal, and said, you know, that in Anaheim, the mayor in Anaheim a couple of years ago came up with the idea of having Anaheim be the kindness city. And they became the kindness city. And so Joan brought that to the Thrive meeting and said, what do you think about that? And we said, it fits. It fits so nicely with what we're talking about in Thrive. How do you thrive in the village? And kindness is what will help us to thrive in the village. So we talked about that together and said, we'll have this be the year of kindness. So now we have to work at what that's going to be looking like. So Joan is leading this project, and Cindy Whitney is leading it with her. So that's the team. The next meeting, after we decided we were going to do kindness, Tom Nash, a member of the Thrive Committee, came in and he said, did you see the LA Times front page story that UCLA has been given a $20 million grant to study kindness?
Really?
The Kindness Project. And so we took a look at it. I wanted to tell you a couple of the things that it said in the article. And kindness could be something very small. As the example is a friendly smile, a food pantry donation. A remarkable act of Los Angeles benefit would be to not get so angry when a driver cuts in front of you. That's an LA thing. But there is the other flip side of that. When such acts of kindness have self-serving, science has conclusively shown that they also make you healthier.
Yeah.
So there are so many small ways that you can demonstrate kindness, and that's what we want to focus on this year. So what I wanted to say is I would love it if I could tell you the opening ceremony that we're going to be having kicking off this year. We haven't decided yet.
Okay.
Tomorrow the Thrive Committee will be meeting, and that's one of the big things that we're going to talk about.
Okay.
It will be in conjunction with one of our recreation events, and we'll kick off the Year of Kindness here in Laguna Woods Village.
Okay, and that's something you still have to decide on.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And, you know, I have on here, your next meeting is November 4th.
Right.
Is that the meeting you're going to discuss this at?
No,
we'll
discuss it tomorrow.
Okay.
We have a meeting tomorrow, then the one after that is November 4th.
I see. Okay.
So we will be in progress then. As a matter of fact, we've decided that each month someone from Thrive hopefully will be able to be on TV with you.
Yeah,
and
like they have.
We'll talk about what's
do.
happening in kindness in that month. And we want to do things like the kindness act of the month, or blah blah something.
Yeah.
Tell stories, tell kindness stories. Maybe have some videos. I know that Tom Nash is putting together videos of people exhibiting acts of kindness. So those will all be bound together in weaving this fabric of a year of kindness in Laguna Woods Village.
Okay. And
So-
if people want to get involved, just come to your meetings, and it's something that they want to be a part of?
They could come to the meetings, or they could send an email to someone on the Thrive Committee and
Okay.
ask, and on the Thrive Committee would be Joan Millman, or Brian Gruner, or Paul Ortiz,
Okay.
or myself.
All right.
That they could easily
they might
get
have ideas
any of
of
those
things that they
emails
would
that
like
they
to-
would like to maybe
Yeah.
say. And we're going to try to involve the clubs in some sort of
Okay.
cultural events,
Yeah,
maybe
that's really
sporting
good.
events, and monthly on TV. So we have Thrive teams that are working together to try to plan different types of activities.
Okay.
So
Very good. So you'll let us know once the celebration, or what's that? When will the opening celebration be? Is that in January?
we don't know.
You don't know
We
yet.
haven't
Okay.
decided. That's going to be
Okay.
decided tomorrow. So the November person that's coming on, and I'm not sure who that person is, that will be coming on for Thrive, will let you know
Okay.
when the opening kickoff ceremony will be.
All right. Very good. Always good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thank you very much, and
Thank
we'll
you.
look forward to hearing more
Yeah,
about this.
Yes, it'll be a great year.
Yeah, it will be. Thank you very much, Beth, and
Sure.
we'll be right back.